What's up, people? We are doing fishing for Isaac's channel. Yeah, let's just get to it. Oh, I'm choking on spit. Ow, that hurt my throat. That's all, I just choked on some spit. Choked on spit, and now my throat hurts.
Ow, that hurt.
And now my throat hurts.
Wait.
What?
I thought we were switching.
Oh yeah, after this cat. So we were just fishing. Isaac, talk.
We were fishing. I had the idea of making a video because, you guys are everything.
Yeah, we gotta get that game for you.
And don't be surprised if we upload 3 times today.
We're just
Or
trying to make
more.
videos for you guys. We're trying to make it good for you guys, just for you.
Yeah, because, we like you guys. And,
You're nice. And we think you're nice people.
well, we don't know that. But they probably are. Yeah, this seems like the easiest casting thing ever. I just had a bite.
I did.
Yeah, I did. I had a bite.
I did.
Yes, I did.
I did.
Yes, I did.
I did.
I swear I did.
I did.
No, I did. It went like that.
I did.
Oh my god, I'm gonna throw this hook at you.
You do that, dude.
You dare me?
You hook me, you're gonna get in trouble. And your mom will get mad at you. And my mom will get mad at you. Darren will have to go to the hospital if you hit me.
Chris!
Oh, I like this so much better. This one's so much easier because this rod's so much better.
This one's so much easier because it's not getting stuck. And I already had to bite to shoot.
I didn't get a good cast. I didn't get a good cast. Ready?
Oh! Oh, bro, he let go of it.
How do you know it's a he?
I have one.
You're not reeling fast enough. You're reeling
No,
super
I'm
slow.
letting him actually
I know what you're doing. You're letting it go. You're letting it go under too long, and then it will just get eaten by the seaweed.
No, I'm letting them actually have it in their mouth. Back in that spot.
I thought Reed called my name. I thought my brother called my name. Very good. Be quiet, so. You have to reel.
What up? I'm letting them actually get a mouth on it.
You don't have a fish. You're not reeling fast enough, so it just gets snagged. You don't know how to fish, Isaac.
I know what I'm
Tell
doing.
the difference. Do you know how to tell the difference between seaweed and fish?
No, it's actually biting it.
Obviously it's not, because you're doing it every time.
No, it's because I'm doing the same thing.
Where's this fish at? There's no fish in here.
Yo, look at this.
Whoa.
Yo, I know where they're all at. I'm just trying to get in that spot again. Well, at least where I got 2 bites in a row. Oh. into a mining YouTube. Or like I'll do some by myself, you do some by yourself. Oh,
Oh, shrimps and prime rib.
did you say?
Isaac. Wait, I gotta time this perfectly.
Dude, that's where all of them are.
Watch, ready? Let's go! Oh, I thought I timed it perfectly. Oh, I did. I'm a genie. Oh, I'm getting tired, dude.
Oh, bro, I just had the best. Bro, why you gotta cross my rod? Now I have to go.
Oh. That one.
No, you didn't. It's stuck on TV. Bro, stop. Let me My God. Luke,
Wait. I got it.
you're stupid.
You're not fishing anymore.
I'm just kidding. Oh. That one close to your face, bro. Oh, man. Look, I have a giant bass.
Did you get it stuck again?
Only because of this. Yo, these bushes are so annoying right there.
You know what else is annoying?
Me.
No, the tree. That Isaac gets stuck again, where he's gonna need another thing. Right, Isaac? I'm gonna Kobe this all the way across the pond.
Yo, go out there and get it.
No, it's up to my knees out there. Bro, chill. Don't pull it towards you. You're gonna hit yourself.
Got it. I didn't waste another one.
You sure the bait came with it?
Uh-huh.
Oh, I see it. Wow. I already got that.
I know, bro.
Yeet. That was a risk with tools. Oh, I'm tired, dude.
Yeah, me too. After this rod, I'm gonna get my energy up back up.
You don't have an energy shield.
Oh. Have one.
Oh, yeah. I actually got that one.
Yo, I did. Just watch my lead. I'm gonna have to reel back into that spot. Yo, but I had one.
Okay, guys, I'm actually tired. Isaac, do you have an idea what we can eat that?
Oh, I have an idea.
Oh,
Some Takis.
Takis? How am I gonna get those?
Behind the tackle box.
Bro, they just... Takis just follow this guy. What the heck?
I already ate them. They're
It's so weird.
behind the tackle box.
Some Takis just came out and they just landed in my hands.
Are you stupid?
Oh, I'm energized now, boys. Woo!
Yes, I still have it.
I'm energized from that one. The most magical Takis I fell out of the sky.
Guys, tell us in the comments if you like our outside videos or our video game videos.
Yeah, tell us. Which one do you like better?
If I time it right. Yes, let's go.
Good timing, Audrey.
Oh, Oh, right where that fish was.
Wait, I'm gonna let it sink through on you. Oh, I think I got your fish. Yeehaw! Yahoo! Ready, guys? I'm just gonna Kobe this across the. Hold on, let me get in the water for this one. Ready, guys? Oh shoot, it's so bad.
Told you.
Ready, guys? Guys, come join me. It's actually warm on your feet.
My feet are really warm right
Oh, it's actually cool. It makes your boots cold. Makes your
now.
boots
Oh, I just had a really big bite.
Guys, come in here. It makes your boots
I
cold.
just had a bite from a big boy, bro.
Isaac, come in this. It actually makes your feet colder.
I don't care. My feet are too cold. Hold up. Don't reel. Don't reel. I might get one.
Oh, I feel water coming in.
Oh, I just got bit.
Guys,
Oh, I got one. Oh!
woo!
Get this, Luke. Get this. No, he let go.
Whoa! Isaac had one.
Did he take the bait?
No.
I don't think so.
Oh crap, guys! That was a good
That dude was like a 2-pounder.
2-pounder. That's not that great, but whatever. It's a fish.
Oh wait, Luke, should we like put that on more?
What? Yeah.
Here, you do that.
Guys,
I had
only
that.
if you could have saw that.
I had it. All I saw was the bottom when I had it. Didn't you?
I saw a shiny stomach.
Yeah, that was it.
Yep.
Oh my gosh, I'm going back in that spot. Yo, as I said, don't reel, Luke. I might get one. I had one, and then it goes away.
Dang it, guys. That's a rip in the shaft. Okay, you're all good up. Couldn't sit. I accidentally got this thing stuck in here while I was trying to get
Don't
the
do it.
camera.
Don't reel again. I'm going back over there, bro. I'm not letting that fish go. Got bit again. I almost had fish. Have one. Have one. Have one. Ah,
They don't.
let go.
It wasn't a fish. It was just seaweed the whole time.
No.
Yes, it was. Why do you have a bunch of seaweed on you?
Did he let go? Yes, he did. Guys, look at my fish. I caught one giant fish. Luke, go over there and make sure my thing's still on. Or,
Okay, I will.
big fat thumbs up.
Oh, that means you gotta give us a big fat thumbs up on there. Let's see it, guys. If you can make us
Don't
get
do it. Don't do
5
it again.
likes,
Don't do it again.
we will be happy campers. Even though we're not camp. I don't know. Okay, whatever. We'll be happy. That's all we're trying to say. See if I can get a big bull. Big bull. We'll end this off once we get one.
Nah. We'll just keep going until my
Sorry, so loud.
We'll just keep going until my iPad stops. Hopefully it doesn't though. 'Cause I like music. Well, that was amazing. Yo, I actually thought I just had a bite.
I'm some food soon.
Yeah, we got coffee. To energize!
Yeah, there's like 5 left.
Yeah, you stupid. What if I caught a turtle? That sucks.
Yeah, that would suck. So the snapping turtle, we couldn't get that thing off. We'd have to cut the line and its hook, and they'd be hooked. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. It's a good cherry up, Christmas and fast.
I might have one. Darn it, just seaweed. But I did get bit. And then I let it sink.
Isaac, you want to move? And see if we can get.
No, this fucking.
Wait, I want to go test something.
Over there?
I'll be back.
Well, guys, it's just me and you. Luke, I got one! No. Darn it, a fish had mine and then it let go. I got an idea, guys. Ready? Right there, let's go. Because it's really deep in that one spot, so I'm sure there's going to be a fish. Did you get one? He said no, guys. Oh man, I didn't get bit. I need to get my spot. That works. Guys, I'm doing a huge shout out to CNL Stunts for sponsoring this video. CNL Stunts is really cool. They're a small YouTube channel. They only have 5 subscribers, so go make sure to go light them up with subscribers. Show them the love. Comment that you came from me. Yo. Guys. I have one, Luke! Luke! What? Got one.
Oh, that's a good bass. Pull it on land. Woo! That is about, compared to my hand, that's about, here, let me get that boy.
Hold on, let's see if he's a squirm. Let's see.
No,
He's not a squirm. Do it. Grab him, hurry. Oh, guys, I got a fish. I was talking about how C&L Sun sponsored us. And I said, like, go show them the love.
Woo! You guys know? Let's see if we have a weigher in here. We might. There might be a way to weigh this thing in here. No, but we got a
Only
nice...
if we had a bucket with water.
Why?
We could put it in there for a little and then, like, count how many fish we catch by the end of the video.
We can. Take all this out. Fill that up.
Okay, let's do it. Here, but dip him in water real quick while I empty all this, okay? Dip him in water so he doesn't die. Can we take these out? Is there a way to take this stuff out? Let's take all the hooks and stuff off. You know. Is there a way to take this off?
Oh, I don't think so. Here, go fill it up. Take all this out. Here, take all this out. Take my phone out. Close this just to make sure there's nothing.
Or should we put it in that one?
We can put both. Go fill both up.
Both up?
Just go dip them in quick. Right there. That's good.
Oh, my socks soaked.
It's fine. I have a new pair. Isaac, hurry up. Here, hand me the iPad. It's a good fish. Come out quick.
Oh. Not on that side, the other side.
Go get some water.
Go
Go get some more. Go get some more.
I can't.
Isaac, you have to.
I can't keep
Guys, we have to put this down. Here, Isaac. Just go.
Here, at least hold it with one side.
I can't. Here.
Would that be good?
Here, maybe need a little more.
I think that one's,
Let him fit.
I think that one's good.
I think he's good, but when we get more. Pick him up. Grab him for me. He won't spike you, just grab him.
Oh.
Got him. Go get some more, go get some more.
Oh wait, we still have one in.
Oh, here. Show it. Sorry, guys. We have to do this procedure. Try and get the dirt out.
Come on!
Right here, right here. Here, right here. This one.
No, I don't like that one.
No.
I think that one's good. Do the other one.
Yeah, but that one's dirty water. This one's clean water.
Think that's good? Think it's good?
Isaac, go get the camera. Isaac, can you please hold this for me? I'll get some more water.
What?
Hold the fish. Here, get him, get him.
I don't know how to hold it.
Here, look, ready? Let him breathe, let him breathe. Let him have some more. Oh, get him, pick him up.
I can't.
Just grab him. Now,
Pull.
it's okay, it's okay. Get him. You gotta get him, No, get him out. You gotta get him out.
It's good. I think he's fine.
I'm gonna try and get some.
Oh wait, we can use the small container and fill it up. We can use the small container.
Okay, I'm gonna try and dump some of this water out.
Dump the dirty water out. Oh man, both my socks are soaked.
Dump some clean one. Here, give me it.
Keep doing that. Yo, my socks are soaked.
Come on, Isaac, get some content of us doing this.
Shouldn't we move it up a little more?
Yeah, here. Get the.
You think he's dead?
No, he's not. He's moving. Down.
Oh, no, upward. That's on the hill.
Right here. Yeah, right here. Help me dump some of this water in. That worked perfectly. Go get the camera. You gotta keep them updated. Tell them what's happening.
Guys, so I caught a fish right here. If you guys can see him. I mean, like, look at him. He's pretty
I'm
big.
getting some water for him.
He's pretty big, to be honest.
He's like a 2-pounder.
Yeah. And
I'm
we're
trying to
going
get
to
him
keep
some
him in
water.
here so then we can show you all the fish that we catch by the end of this video. Just like, he's a good one. Wait, how are we going to set it up now?
It's fine. I'll hold it, you fish.
Okay.
He's trying to escape. No, buddy. There, he's good.
Here, now hold it.
Just don't spook him. Don't. See, look. If we stand here, he'll get spooked. Okay. Put that down and
You hold? I'll fish.
meet Gerald. First fish, Gerald.
I'm naming him.
Oh, fine. What is his name?
You want to name him?
Wyatt?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Actually, I'm gonna get some more water for him.
Yeah, so just try to find something to set them up with. So I can let him this side now. I think he's dead.
No, he's not. Don't think that, Isaac. He's not dead.
Yo, run up and go get a bucket.
Should I?
Yeah.
I don't know if my mom has any.
We're just trying to find like a big container or something. Unless I just caught another one.
Did you?
Oh, this one's big.
Did you actually?
I think so.
Here, I'll run up.
No, I think it's stuck. So guys, we are getting like a big container. Okay, we are getting a big container for Wyatt. I wish we could keep him, but you know, he has a big role in this man-made pond, so we can't. And if anything, I wouldn't want to keep him. My dad'd probably eat him. Nah, just kidding, guys. My dad's not like that. But Wyatt might be dead, guys. So I'm gonna check on him after I get all this seaweed off. Luke! I'm gonna check on Wyatt, guys. Wyatt? Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, Wyatt is not dead, guys. He's trying to spike me right now. He is really mad right now. We're gonna show you guys all the fish we catch at the end of the video. Guys, Wyatt, I think, is mad. So while Luke goes up there, I'm going to try and catch another fish. I'm not really good at taking them off the hook, so I'm just going to leave him in the water right here in front of me. Wait for Luke. Once Luke comes, I'm going to let him do his thing and take it out. Oh. You find one? Did you find one? Yeah. Okay. Fill it up with water before you... Oh, be careful. Wyatt has his spikes out. Okay? Luke. still alive, but Wyatt just I keep touching him because he looks dead, and he keeps like scaring me.
Does he?
Yeah, because he puts his spikes out. It's like he's mad. Get some clean water.
I did.
Okay. That's good. That should be good at least. We don't want it too full so then Wyatt can jump out. Where'd you find that at?
My mom gave it to me. I asked my mom to give it. She said, here. She said, did you catch anything?
Did you say Isaac did?
Yeah, I said, Isaac caught one. Dump him in.
I'll get this side, you get that side. No, get him, Luke, get him! You'll be happier in that small one, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? Right, Luke?
He's kind of claustrophobic. We're good? Now I'm gonna have to watch out. If he jumps out, you'll hear it.
Well then just use this.
No, don't take any water out. He needs it. Okay, guys, I need to pick up iPad. So we just transferred him into here. Now we're gonna calculate how many fishes we can catch. He's gonna live. He's got the water he needs.
I think I just stopped it.
Did you?
Yeah.
We'll find out. I want to give him a stick of algae to hide under.
Okay, do it.
Set this up again. I will set this up and it will say. I will set this up and it will
It's
say.
kind of thick though that I caught one.
Isaac, they're just looking at you. That's what they're going to be looking at. Okay, we're good.
Can you get him some seaweed?
Here, Isaac, can you cast and pull me some seaweed in?
I'll try.
So let it sink and then just...
Here, I'll do it after this one because I already got a bite.
Okay. I'll use my rod.
Oh.
He's good. Still alive.
Oh, I got one, Luke.
Oh, yeah! Yank that bad boy. Real! Real! Come on, Isaac.
Oh.
Pull that bad boy in. Oh my god! That's a monster! Bro, hold up. Hold on.
Hold up, let me get it up.
Oh my gosh! No! Let's go! Isaac, get the camera,
Oh my gosh. I caught a monster.
Oh my god!
I got revenge on the monster, guys.
Ah!
Look how big this guy
Oh
is.
my god! Bro! Bro!
Yo, my second fish today, guys.
Holy crap, bro. Get my phone, Isaac. Get
Take
a
a picture.
Snapchat. Get a Snapchat.
Of the fish I caught?
Oh, get a video Snapchat. Here, I got it.
Yo, put him in with,
No, I don't know if he can fit in there. We might have to fill that back up and put Wyatt back.
no, just put him in there.
We can't put both. We have to put this guy by himself.
Well, then you put that guy in there. Say, look what Isaac caught.
Bro, Isaac caught a toad. This thing's a 4-pounder. Oh my god.
Send it to Reed.
A toad, bro. Look at it. Oh my god.
Is Wyatt even still alive?
Isaac, you're gonna have to put Wyatt back where he was before.
I don't know.
We can't put him back together.
I'm not picking him up. He's gonna spike me. He's already mad enough.
No, Isaac, you have to. Please.
No, I'll put
Isaac,
him in
trust
there.
me. No, get him. Isaac, please get him,
I don't-
please.
I
Please,
can't.
please,
You
please.
get it.
You have to. I have the
No,
fish in
I
my
have
hand.
the-
I have the fish. Isaac, I can't.
I can't have 2 fish in my hands. Get him. Quick, he's about to die.
grab
No,
one.
Isaac, get him.
Then dip him in water. Dip him in water.
No, because he won't get out. See, look, he doesn't fit in there. He won't fit in here with him. Get him out. Isaac, don't be... If you get spiked, it's fine. This fish is about to die. Get him. Be a man. Don't grab him by the tail. Get your hand in there and grab him.
Well, I'm afraid.
Just grab his body. Grab his body. It's fine.
No.
Isaac, he's about to die. He is going to die. Get the fish. Isaac, get the fish.
You grab it.
I can't. I have one hand. Go to...
Just go.
Isaac, get it. Quick.
grab.
You have like 5 seconds. This thing's going to die.
Then dip it in water.
I can't. He's going to swim out. Get him, Isaac. Use your hands.
I'm afraid.
You want me to really hold this? Hold him hard.
Oh.
Isaac, you're... No, you're getting him. Get Wyatt.
That's
Get
my
him.
first
Hold
time
him, hold him,
holding
hold
a
him, hold him.
fish.
Right, I can't see him. Isaac, get him in the mouth like this. Stick your thumb in and pull him
I've
out.
never held a fish like that.
I can't see.
Here, I'd get some water and keep dipping it on it. Putting it on it.
Isaac, get him.
I'm letting it live by putting water on
Isaac,
it.
just pick him up. I have to, here, let me see that. Pick him up with their 2 hands. He's not going to spike you. If you go like this and get down with 2 hands and push on him and then pick him up with your hands.
Ow.
He's not going to spike you. Push down with 2 hands, palms, 2 palms. Now pick him up. Squeeze him and pick him up. Squeeze him and pick him up. Isaac, it doesn't hurt when you get spiked. Trust me. Put it and now pick him up with your palms.
I've never picked up a fish
Isaac, you
before.
have to do it before. You have to right now. Isaac, he's gonna die. Isaac, just pick. He
I'm so afraid.
killed him. Isaac, get him.
You get him.
Oh my!
Just
I
put him
can't.
in.
I have to do this. Isaac, it's not that scary.
Just put him in.
These fish don't spike you. Only those
Just put
other
him
ones
in. Just
spike
put
you.
him in. Just put him in. Now get him. I've never
Look,
picked up a
go
fish
like this.
before.
You can use your foot too. Now push down. Now grab him in the mouth. He should be fine. Sorry, I'm getting mad because that's a big fish. Okay, get the camera, get the camera.
I've never picked
Pick up the
a
camera.
fish before.
Show them that monster you caught.
So guys, I caught this giant.
I'm sorry.
Whoa! I caught this giant.
I'm sorry that
guys.
I was yelling at you, Isaac.
Fine.
I'm sorry. I was like
this
I
giant
was
in there.
panicking because
There's Wyatt, who I caught, and I'm gonna let Luke name this one.
bro, his name is Neymar because he's a monster. His Neymar.
Yo, only if you had a bigger bucket.
Yeah. Well, I didn't think we were catching something that big. Yeah, I gotta get that man some
Wait, how are we? If we catch another fish, what are we gonna do?
we'll put him in here.
Well, then what if we catch another one after that?
We'll just have to throw Wyatt back or throw the fish that we caught. Okay, Isaac, go fish. Go, just pass it out.
Well, I can't. You have to hold it. If you had a bigger bucket, he could get his whole body in.
We don't have any buckets. Any other ones? Get some oxygen from the bubbles. Trying to flip him.
Wait. His tail's caught. Is Wyatt dead?
Look.
This guy's a monster. I was afraid.
Look, just like that. He can't get out. I mean, he can jump out like he just did. But that's, if he jumps out, Isaac, trust me, if you're scared, you can use your sleeve if you want. You put your hand on him and then grab him and then stick your hand in his thumb. You don't have to stick your hand in his thumb. You just have to get him and pick him up. He's a big fish.
Here, hold
I know
it.
it's scary.
I've never held a
Hold on.
bass before, that's why.
He's good. He's good. It's fine.
Well, 2 fish in less than
Bro, this is a 4-pounder right now. 4 pounds. This bad boy is an eater. We can eat that thing. Guys, Isaac, see if you can get one more. Let's see this.
one more, and then we're gonna end the video.
Oh my. If the video goes out of storage, whatever. Those 2 fish. So we're just gonna end. we're not gonna end it. We're just gonna say an outro just in case. So peace, just in case. Okay. So just in case, we're saying bye. And if it ends, we got those two decent, beautiful. The one is a monster. That was the one Isaac lost last fishing video. And we caught that thing. And we got that small one. Doesn't matter. We got that monster, dude.
We should make a part 3 after this one.
Oh, is that? It was just.
Wait, I'm gonna get you some seaweed.
Oh no! Wait a second.
I'm gonna get you some seaweed.
Yeah. Let it hit the bottom and then just pull. Now yank. Should get some seaweed. What? How did you not get seaweed? When you try and get when you don't try and get seaweed, you get it. When you try and get seaweed, you don't get it.
Yeah, whatever.
Here, I need to get some of them oxygen. So you make bubbles so they can eat it. Because they need some oxygen.
What if I catch another one right here, right now? What if I catch a beautiful bluefish? Did I? Yeah, I had one on. Then
If you catch a bluegill, we can put him in here.
And where?
Here, I'm gonna cover these guys. Woo! That man just splashed all over me.
Yo! That was so far.
Yeah, I'm gonna get some
Hold up.
Yeah, I'll just cast it.
Oh, I got bit.
Let it eat. Sit it there. Now reel it up. Make sure to see if you still got it.
I still have it.
And yank.
Oh, I missed it.
If you feel it, if you still have it after you let it eat, just go yank. How am I not getting seaweed? Give me seaweed! Sorry guys if you see nothing.
Oh, you see how big that fish was that jumped over there?
Sorry guys if you see nothing, we're concentrating. I'm concentrating. Isaac's concentrating, especially to get another one.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a bluegill for you guys. If it's another bass, then we're
no.
just going to throw it in.
No, we'll keep it. If it's a big bass, we have to throw that in.
No, even if it's a small bass, we're going for a bluegill to end it.
I don't know if that'll catch a bluegill though. We need something small for a bluey. A bluey named Bluey. Remember I said that?
Watch out, Luke. I just had one.
Wait, I gotta give this man some. You guys, you should have seen that. He just freaked out and he jumped. Watch, ready, Isaac. If you touch this fish once, he's gonna freak out. Watch, ready.
Great, Luke. I think you killed him.
Who?
What if he accidentally died?
It's fine.
Then we got dinner.
I mean, yeah, it's true. Yeah, I need to fix him. I think I just took up a space with all these.
No, I had one. We'll do part 3. This is part
I got 2 grandmas and they smell like butt cream. Okay.
I got black, I got white. What you want?
They're so good. Here, let me pick this iPad up. Sorry guys if you haven't been seeing anything that much this video. We've been busy catching some big fish.
Like that one, bro.
Oh my, I can't even with this thing. That thing is monster. 4 pounds, dude. Yeah, I sent it to Reed.
Didn't send anything back yet?
Don't know, I'm not gonna check. Oh, bro. Send a big cast out there, Isaac.
Bet.
A big one. Here, I'll back out of the way. Oh, you guys see those geese out there? Little family. Cute little family. This video is 44 minutes.
Oh, isn't that good?
So,
You don't have to watch the whole thing. Well, we want you to because if you want to see that giant bass.
yeah, we have to put it in the description. People, yeah, you're gonna want to watch this video, and we have to put that in the title. We're gonna say, watch till the end. Or skip if you need to.
No, we're getting. This is the title. We went fishing at Lake Postway Part 2.
Yeah, but we have to put in the description. Wait, watch till the end! Exclamation! Exclamation! Because like they're not gonna see if we caught anything good. Should we end it off, Isaac?
Nah.
This video is
After I
very
catch
long.
one more fish.
It's gonna take so long to upload.
Who cares?
I think we should end it.
No.
Isaac, this video is 45 minutes long.
It's fine.
Oh, I need to check on these mans. Let me see if Robert Merton's alive. Let's see, is Neymar still alive? I can't tell.
Tap him with your hand. Oh, wait.
We're good for Wyatt. Let's see. Oh, yep, Neymar is okay. We're good. Neymar is alive. Neymar's still alive. We're good. Okay, both of them are still good. Wyatt's just taking a chill. He might be a little bit.
My monster's still alive?
What?
My monster's still alive?
Yeah, Neymar's still alive. Isaac, can this be the last cast?
2, 3 more.
3 more. Make them good. And then we can get some pictures on your phone.
Whoa.
Oh, crap. Are you stuck? Just go do it with your... Oh, you're good. Oh. I'll get a good reel. If this gets stuck, we'll just end it here. He got it stuck up there. Reel it in before you do that. Real fast. Fast, 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 fast. Oh, one more. You got it. Can this be the last cast? Because we'll get some pictures of you and your monster.
2 more.
2 more? Okay, bet. So, Isaac,
Oh, yeah,
How do
that's
you
where I
feel?
caught the big one.
how do you feel about that big fish?
I feel amazing, bro. You owe me $1 now.
No, wait, I never said anything. What? I never agreed to owe you $1 for catching
Yo,
the
Reed
monster.
said he'll bet $20 that we'll lose a lure. We never lost one, so.
Yeah. I guess we're making 20 bucks.
For my V-Buck.
V-Bucks. Why don't you save that for something else important? More important than
I'm
V-Bucks?
saying I'm saving up, bro.
Maybe
Saving up for a monitor.
if I was you, once you hit 25 subscribers, if I was you, I'd save up for a GoPro. Or not a
I already
GoPro.
have a GoPro.
You do? Why don't you use it?
I need an SD card.
Those things are like 10 bucks at
They're
Walmart.
not.
Yeah, huh? They're not that. They're like 10, 20 bucks.
Yeah, for like a 5 gigabyte one.
Mm-mm. I saw one at Walmart that was a 20 gigabyte. And it was like $20. They're not as expensive as you think. When did you get it?
My GoPro.
Yeah.
Winter. My mom wanted me to record me skiing. Stay back, stay back.
Did you get it?
Oh no, let me reel. Please tell me I did. Yo, look at my fish!
He's got a leaf one.
Yo, leaf fishes are so rare.
I've never caught one before.
Check on.
Okay. Let's do a review and make sure that this guy's alive. Oh, I see his gills moving. He's good. Isaac, you come over here. Come over here. Ready? This guy looks like he's gotten into something because his fins are ripped on the top.
Is he dead?
No, his fins are moving. His top fins got ripped off somehow. So when
Probably from
last cast. Not from us though. Can't be. Could have been when he got tangled. That last time.
Oh.
Oh. Yeah, I got you.
I got it.
Oh, it was that easy? I thought you had to like unwind it completely. We'll do that again. Okay, good.
Did it bite? I'm doing one more after this.
This video is 50 minutes long, almost an hour. You know what stinks though? We have school tomorrow.
Okay. We have the weekend, bro. The weekend's gonna come soon.
Oh, there's a bluebird
Got a blue macaw.
right there. See that thing? Climbing down that tree in the middle. Okay, he disappeared now. When you reel this thing in, we're gonna end it off. Sorry if you guys didn't want to watch this whole video. I mean, you don't have to. You never had to. But if you made it this far, you're a legend. Like, you're actually a legend. If you see this clip, you should be, like, if you see this point, you're insane. Like, real. Feel a little? Got a little tingle. Oh, wait. Right there. Oh, shoot. This thing's all tangled. Hold on, let go. There.
I can do one. I'm doing one more, and then we're ending the video.
Why?
Because I'm trying to get it all the way out.
Make the outro right now.
What?
Make the outro.
I'm trying to get it all the way out there.
Okay. Mom, we'll get one more check on these kids. Still breathing, and
Is he alive?
yeah,
Alive?
he should be. Yep, he's good. They're both still good. Look at that pattern on him. Look at that beautiful pattern on that guy. You see that pattern? Isn't that beautiful? That's a good pattern. Isaac, end it right here. Isaac.
Well, guys, we caught a monster and we caught a medium. That's going to be all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Get your friends and oh my gosh, get your friends and family to join the balling squad. And oh my gosh, that big boy destroyed this thing. Look at that.
Wow, I think you have that a little too tight. Yeah, hold on. Okay, say bye.
Bye.
Peace, guys.
Peace.